I'm going to be redoing my little office area in my apartment. So I'm super excited about this video. I'm going to be redoing my little office area in my apartment. And the reason why I'm doing that is because we used to have this section as the dining room area, and we had a really big dining set that had like extra leaves, it could expand it, whatever. And we originally got that because we thought family and friends would come up and visit, whatever, and that didn't end up happening. And we are the ones who usually travel down to Jersey and Philly to visit family, so I've just been using it as an office space and as a space where I do conduct my small business. So it was just so big, and it was like black, so it just like took up so much visual space and like actual physical space as well. So we decided to get rid of it. And then also another update, I got myself a little studio space in the downtown area of the city that I live in, and it's in a co-working space, so it'll have like some other amenities such as like a little lounge area where we can get like coffee, and it'll have extra amenities like a lounge area where I can get coffee and tea and all that stuff, use the fridge, whatever I want to do in that area. If I wanted to work in that area, I could. But the space that I got is 494 square feet, and I pay $545 a month for it, and it's for an 18-month lease. I'm going to make a separate series for just that, for like a tour, then also like doing the actual like moving process, or maybe just like some of the moving process, because I think it's going to be honestly like very chaotic. But yeah, and like setting up the space and all that stuff. The biggest thing for me was making sure that the space was, one, large enough, it was a good bang for my buck, but then also that there's windows and I would get natural light. My biggest thing is being able to create content for my social media accounts to promote my business. So it was a huge, pain point to find spaces that were like that, and the space has it. So I'm really excited. I'm excited to move all of my things for my business into its own space instead of taking up our living room space in our home. Yeah, I'm really excited. So we're going to set this stuff up and organize everything. That way I can have a little home office space. This just came in today, actually, like an hour ago. So I'm gonna try and assemble this and figure something out.